St. Peter Church. St. Peter was here as leader of the 12th. That is a beautiful church, Spanish look. And it's open now. It's supposed to be open now. Then I must be very quiet. But to try to explain you about it. Oops. Oh. It's I think tomorrow it's the Assumption Day of Mary. According to the Catholic, Mary Assumption into heaven tomorrow. I'm sure that there will be a celebration here. You can listen to the Christian music. No tourists. Churches are empty. But let's look at the most important part of it. It was built before 1965, and you can see that they still see the separation between the holiness to the people's side now. The priest is standing right here, fronting to the disciples. And what we can see here, the angel gave Jesus a sack full of non-kosher animals, and he told him to eat. He did it 3 times. You can see it as well. And above him, you can see the sun, which represents Jesus and God and the Holy Spirit as well. Beautiful church, isn't it? And again, we have the story. You don't have it. And that's the axe. It looks like the Ark of Covenant. Or the temple, actually, sorry, the temple, Jewish temple. You see the connection between St. Peter, that was a Jew, to Israel. And now we know that it's a Catholic area. It's mid of August 2020.